Before you came round, my heart would never beat much faster. Before you came round, I was ready to slow down. Before you came round, I was heading for a small disaster. Before you came round, I was ready to blow me down. Let it go, take my body go. Take our bodies higher and higher and higher. We can go till the morning glow. We can go higher and higher. Before I was found, I felt like I could drain the ocean. Before I was found, I didn't want to breathe out. Let it go, take my body go. Take our bodies higher and higher and higher. We can go till the morning glow. We can go higher and higher. Before I was found, I felt like I could drain the ocean.
That's where we're going to. Okay guys, so this video is for new people that come on my channel. I just wanted to have a little talk with you guys. For you guys that don't know me, this channel is mostly about cars, meats and stuff like that, mostly car stuff. And yeah, I upload mostly daily. Sometimes I might miss a day throughout the week, but I try to stay constant with the uploads. And yeah, so what we're gonna talk about today is for you guys to know me a little bit more. I'm from New Jersey. Well, first of all, my name is Jerry. As some of the subscribers already know, my name is Jerry. And I'm still in high school. I do videos after school most of the time. Through the summer, I'll probably start uploading even more, like daily. And yeah, I'm from New Jersey. I grew up over there till I was around like 10 to 12. And then I moved to North Carolina. I've actually been here for around 2 years. Let me see. No, I moved from New Jersey when I was just 14 or 13, and I've been here for 2 years. I've been in North Carolina for 2 years. I've got my first car here. To be honest, I've matured here. I've been a better person here in general. It's changed me a lot, and yeah, I actually really like it here. And I started making YouTube videos like a while back, but I just never started uploading constantly until now that I've actually got I was determined to start my own YouTube channel and succeed in that area. So yeah, for you guys that new subscribers, go ahead and go give likes to the videos. Go watch all the videos. You know, you might like it. You might learn something new. And I try to actually put some content out that's pretty good to the viewers. I mean, sometimes there's days that I can't really think of something to video, and sometimes those are the days that I don't upload. But then most of the time I try to upload even though I don't have an idea. I try to find something new to upload so you guys have something to watch. But just remember that I will be trying to upload constantly. And yeah, so if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And yeah, that's well, what cars do I have? I actually have 3 cars right now that I'm working on. For you guys that don't know, I actually have 2006 Saab 92X. I have a 1990 Honda CRX that if you watch the videos, you'll see I'm doing a K20 swap, a K20 A2 from a RSX best swap. And with that, I am trying to build a drag car, and you guys will see more in the videos about that. And yeah, so, and after that, I got a Mercedes 2006 Mercedes C230 that I'm working on, that I got off of Copart, and it's an online auction. I actually got it here down in North Carolina, China Grove, if you guys know where that is. So yeah, those are my 3 cars that I have right now. I might be getting rid of the Mercedes. Yeah guys, so in the future I actually do want to do a few giveaways, like maybe some Recaro seats, some like exhaust system, subwoofer, something around that car scene type thing, or maybe some wheels, you know. But I would like to have more subscribers for that. I don't want to have a few subscribers and then just do a giveaway. I actually want to have a few subscribers for that, and well, a few more subscribers than what I have right now. But yeah, so I'll keep you guys updated with that plan that I have, and I'm gonna just keep working hard, you know, try to keep uploading constantly for you guys, so you guys have something to watch, like I said before. And yeah, everything should play off really good. I'm gonna leave you guys off right here. Go subscribe to the channel, give a like to the video, give a like to this video or the other videos, it doesn't matter. And yeah, keep grinding, you guys. Don't forget to watch the other videos that I posted. And yeah, here's the Saab. Saab is looking awfully fresh, you know. But yeah guys, peace out.